The SwellPro FD2 Fishing Drone stands out with a fully sealed, foldable airframe and a water-resistant controller, so surf and spray are far less of a concern when you launch from the beach or a rocking boat. Its integrated 4K camera and bright color display on the remote make it much easier to scout structure, locate bait schools, and drop rigs with impressive precision. The drone can carry a substantial bait load, allowing you to send out big live offerings or heavy chunk baits that would be exhausting to place by kayak. A generous casting range lets you reach distant feeding zones quickly, turning long, tiring paddles into a short, controlled flight. Strong wind handling gives the FD2 enough stability and power to operate confidently in rough coastal conditions where many hobby drones would struggle. Helpful safety and automation features, including automatic return and app-based flight modes, reduce the learning curve and give anglers more confidence to focus on fishing rather than piloting.